In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone volume buttons not working. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And if you are pressing volume up or volume down to increase or decrease ringer volume level or alarm volume level and nothing happens, there is simple solution for that problem. Just open up settings and then get into sounds and haptics. Right here you can find that slider, and if you're trying to press volume up or volume down, nothing happens because change with buttons feature toggled off. You can enable it and now see what happened. When I changing volume level by that side buttons, that slider are also moving left or right, and in that way now you can increase or decrease volume level for ringtone and alerts. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.